I would like to introduce you to our most popular folding bike. This is the Biktrix Kutty FS. This bike actually folds right in half, and when folded it'll fit in the back of your SUV quite easily, or in the trunk of your vehicle. It folds down to a total measurement of 32 by 39 inches. To fold it, all you do is pull that black handle there, and it'll actually fold right in half, and the handlebars will actually fold down as well. So it's conveniently folded into two. This has a front and rear suspension, which is new for this model, something different from the original Kutty, as it has a 250 watt hub motor and a 36 volt 30 amp battery, which gets you a total range of about 30 kilometers, which is quite nice for a little commuter bike. It does have the 3-inch tires, so taking it off-road or out on the field would not be an issue at all. And of course it features the Biktrix pedal assist system, as well as your thumb throttle, which is located right on the handlebar here, right there. And then you have your controller on the other side, which will show you your battery levels and all of that information as well. We do have quite a few of these models available, and they come in a lot of nice different colors. And there is the Kutty FS.